traveled this wide world over, and I've seen beauty so rich and rare. But where I'm going is so much better. Down here there's nothing that can compare.
If I could choose now between the whole world and the smallest mansion in heaven fair, I'd choose to go there. It's so much better, that all earth's glory cannot compare.
Oh, there is nothing that can compare with all the beauty and glory there.
My Lord is building a mansion there, and there's
nothing here that can compare. Oh, there is nothing that can compare with all the beauty and glory there.
My Lord is building